The best example of recursion is a factorial. So suppose if I enter factorial 5, then output must be 120. So factorial of n number equal to n into factorial n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2 into factorial n minus 3. So that will go to infinite or till n. So at here, if I enter factorial of factorial 5, so how does that work? So at here, first number or in value or at here, I enter 5 and at here factorial n minus 1. So in value I enter 5, so 5 minus 1 or 4 and at here 5 minus 2 3 and after 5 minus or 3 2 and 5 minus 4 1. So one more point, factorial or one value equal to 1 or factorial 0 also equal to 1. So if you multiply this on 5 4 3 2 1, so total equal to 120. And if you check factorial 4, the same thing 4 and add here n minus 1. So this whatever the number you enter, so that decrease by 1. So first time decrease by 1 add here, so this will become 3 and 4 minus 2 or 2 and 4 minus add here n minus 3, that means n equal to 4. So 4 minus 3 1. Next I am going to discuss about try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, then control comes to main method. Hereafter that will go inside. So at here I created factorial class object f and at here console.write factorial. So this will print into the output screen. So by the help of f object I called fact method. So if I call fact method, then control comes to this point at here n. So fact inside the fact 5 is there, so n become 5. Hereafter that check n value 5 to equal to 1, so that's not true. Go to else point at here return fact n minus 1 into n. So n value is now 5 and fact value so at here n minus 1, so 5 minus 1 4. So look at this is function fact function and inside the same fact function is there. So function inside the function then it's called recursively. Then again control comes to this point here or this value is now 4 fact 4, so n this time receive 4. So at here check condition if 4 double equal to 1, that's not true, else what return. So first time 5 and this is n value 4 into fact 4 minus 1, so this will return 3. So again function recursively call, so again control comes to this point, so this time fact value 3 is now. So check the condition 3 double equal to 1, so that's not true, else part again. So again 5 into 4 and this value 3, n become 3, and add your fact 3 minus 1. So fact become 2. Again, that recursively call. So here control comes to this point. So factor value this time 2. So at here check the condition. 2 double equal to 1. So that's so not true. Go to else part. Again return fact. So at here 5 into 4 into 3 and this value 2 now, and fact in minus 1. So fact 2 minus 1, so that become 1. So again that go up and in value this time 1, that go inside. So at n double equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1, that's true. So control comes to this point, that return 1. So this time that return 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So that after that, that out from fact function and factorial class. Now control back to this position. So this value is now total 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120. So hereafter control comes to this point, console.readline. So that will take one input from keyboard, and after that out from main or function and class program.